Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is Besan Chilla. This recipe is a protein rich high fiber instant breakfast recipe for weight loss. The high fiber and protein help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss. Now let's get into the procedure. Here I've taken 1 cup of besan, to which I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Adjust salt as per your taste. Now add chopped onions. Here I've taken 2 medium sized onions. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Now here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coriander and chilies. Here I've taken 2 chilies. Add half a spoon of turmeric powder. Add water little by little into the ingredients and mix well. Keep adding water in small amounts and mix until you get a pourable consistency batter. My batter is ready here. It is neither too thick nor too thin. It's of pourable consistency. Now I'm adding half a spoon of cumin here. Cumin is very good for digestion. Now after adding jeera, rest the batter for about a minute or two. Heat a pan and grease it with desi ghee. Ghee lowers the bad cholesterol and increases the good cholesterol levels, thus maintaining a healthy balance. Now pour the besan chilla batter and spread it out as thinly as possible. If you are making this chilla for your toddlers or kids, then you can add few more veggies like the grated carrot or the tomatoes and make this chilla even more healthier. These besan chillas are gluten free and make a filling meal. Now here I am adding 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds over the chilla. Sesame seeds are very rich in calcium. Sesame seeds are a good source of fiber. They help to lower the blood pressure and help in supporting the healthy bones. Now after 2 minutes, carefully flip the chilla over and let it cook for another 2 minutes on the other side. Now my healthy, protein rich, high fiber instant breakfast recipe for weight loss is ready to serve. So guys, do try this besan chilla recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video with friends and family. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.